Maths class 7th. Good morning students. Today we are going to start the chapter 1, that is integers. Integers. What is an integer? Now introduction. In our daily life, we often come across certain situations like rise or fall, ascend or descend, increase or decrease, expand or shrink, profit or loss. These are opposite to each other and cannot be represented by using the same number. Because for an example, if Ajay deposits 2000 in his bank account, then we can represent the deposit money by number 2000. But if he withdraw, means if he withdraw from the bank 2000 from his bank account, then it would be difficult to represent the withdrawal amount by using the same number, as both deposit and withdrawal are opposite situations. So there is a requirement of a new number system which could explain these opposite situations. Such a number system are called integers. Now we are going to learn about integers. Here is the integer tree that is showing the integers can be positive, negative or 0. The whole numbers, the natural numbers, and 0 is also integer. So whole numbers, all the whole numbers in positive and negative. So we can better understand with this number line. This is a number line, that is AB. Here is 0. This is 0 integer. And this is number line. Here we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here we write -1. Here -2, -3, -4, -5. So these are called as positive integers on the right side of the number line. These are positive integers, and these are on the left side of the 0, that is negative integers. So integers can be positive, negative or 0. Here we can see the integer as in positive form. 2 is always greater than 1, 3 is always greater than 2, 4 is always greater than 3. But in the opposite, in case of negative integer, 2 is not greater than -2 is not greater than -1. Here greater is -1. -1 is greater than -2. Just opposite of positive integers. From above, we conclude that integers form a bigger collection of numbers which contains whole numbers and negative numbers. Absolute value of integer. So we are going to learn about absolute value of an integer as its numerical value, that is magnitude, irrespective of its sign. We generally express the absolute value of an integer, say n, by two vertical bars as these two vertical bars and n. This is the representation of absolute value of integer is equal to n, where n is being an integer, so it can be positive, negative or 0. For example, 2 is an absolute value of 2 and minus 2 both. Means suppose we have to find out the absolute value of 2 and minus 2. So the absolute value of 2 will be 2 and absolute value of minus 2 will be 2 because of this magnitude. If there is any number in this magnitude, whether it can be positive or negative, it will comes positive. This means absolute value is either positive or 0 but never negative. So absolute value cannot be negative. Why? Because of this magnitude. Now here we can see example. Find the absolute value of minus 2000, 0, 100 and minus 49. So we know it will be in magnitude form, so there is no effect of the sign. Absolute value of minus 2000, this will be 2000. Absolute value of 0 will be 0. Absolute value of 100 will be 100 and absolute value of minus 49 will be 49, because it will comes always positive because of this magnitude. Now representation of integers or number line, we have already seen this. Here number line, every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. The greater the number, the lesser its opposite. That is 8 is greater than 5 and minus 8 is less than minus 5. And the lesser the number, the greater is the opposite. So 6 is less than 7 and minus 6 is greater than minus 7. And just as I explained you previously. Example 2. A number line representing the integers and given below minus 3, minus 2, 0 are marked by letters E, F, H respectively. Means minus 3 is on the place, E will be on the place of minus 3 and F will be on the place of minus 2 and H will be on the place of 0 are marked by this. So we will put the conditions here. E is on the place of minus 3, so E in the place of minus 3 and F is on the place of minus 2. We draw the number line, then we put on the place of minus 3 with E, the place of minus 2 with F and H with 0. So now which integers are marked by letter A, T, J, L, N? So now we have to find out the integers marked by the letters A, T, J, L, N. Simply we will write the H and then after what comes I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. But no need of O, P, Q, R, S, T because here we can see we can take up to N and here we can take from A. So before h, here these will be all negative, minus. So we can calculate here. Since h is marked as 0, so the left of h lies negative integer and to the right of h lies positive integers. Here all positive ones, here all negative integers. Therefore a is equal to -7. Here we can see 0, 1, 2, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. A is equal to -7. And D 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So D is equal to -4. J here 0, 1, 2. So J is equal to 2. Then now we have to find out L. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So L equal to 4. And now we have to find out the value of N. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6. Now we have to solve the example number 7. Arrange 7 minus 2, 0 in ascending order, means increasing order, 0, 5, and mark them on the number line to verify your answer. So since 0 is less than every positive integer, we all know on the number line here, our number line here all the smaller ones, and here will be the greater ones. So 0 is greater than -2. We all know 0 is greater than -2. Here 0 is greater, -2 is smaller. Here all the smaller ones. Here it comes smaller. Here it comes greater. And 0 is less than 5. 5 is greater. 0 is less than 7. Also 5 is less than 7. So in ascending order, which is the smaller one? Firstly, we have to put the smaller one. Then we will increase. So smallest one is -2. Then 0. Then 5 is greater. Then 7 is greater. So here we can show on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here -1, 2, 3, 4, -6, -7, 8, -9. We can write like this. Now we can show like this. -2 is lesser than 0. 0 is lesser than 5, and 5 is lesser than 7. We can see here. So students, today's class is over. Tomorrow we will see the next examples and we will do the further exercise. Now you have to practice these examples for tomorrow, up to 3 only. So God bless you all. Thank you.